Hello and welcome. In this video from the 5-Minute Exam English channel, I'm going to teach two fantastic words for IELTS Writing Task 1. They are double and twofold. First, let me tell you why it's important to learn these words. In IELTS, your writing receives a score in 4 categories. One of those categories is lexical resource. If you want to get a band 7 or above in this category, you need to use less common lexical items. Using words like double and twofold could help you in this objective. In a few moments, I'm going to explain how you can use double and twofold for IELTS Writing Task 1. After that, you can take a short test to find out if you are able to use these words correctly. The chart that you can see on the screen shows the number of new houses that were built in a town called Barnford. This is not a real place. I want you to look at the difference between 2014 and the next year. The difference is 100% more. We can express this big change in different ways. Have a look at sentence number 1. In sentence number 1, I used double as a verb in the past simple tense. Now let's look at sentence number 2. This time, double is not a verb, it's a predeterminer. Don't worry, it's not important to learn what a predeterminer is. It's more important to remember that here I started with there were, and at the end of the sentence I made a comparison between the 2 years. There's one more sentence I want to show you. This time I used twofold. It's an adjective and it modifies this noun. It basically means 2 times more or 100% more. That's why it's easy for me to make this change. And now I have a sentence with different words but the same meaning. As promised, I have a test for you. Please try to complete the sentences with double or twofold. Remember that double is a regular verb in the past simple. Given period means from 2000 until 2016, the whole period of the graph. I'm going to show you the answers in just a few moments, so if you want to try the sentences, please pause the video now. So here are the answers. Well done if you got all of them correct. The first answer is twofold. That gives us an adjective and a noun. The next answer is doubled. This is a verb in the past simple. And finally, we have double as a predeterminer. We've come to the end of this video from the 5-Minute Exam English channel. I hope you enjoyed it.